Well, here we are, Thanksgiving Day 2024, and we're here with Hannibal, and we're finally going to put the transmission back in today. Let me show you some of the things that we've done to it. We've installed the Sonic's Performance transmission pack. We've installed Sonic's overrunning clutch valve. This helps us when we drive the car in drive, and it supports the overrunning clutch. We've got our brand new yesterday in the mail torque converter from Neil Chance. This is the fourth converter we ordered. It's the only converter company that did not lie to us about the delivery time. The previous three orders we canceled because they got outside the delivery time that they told us that we were to expect. We're also using GM, General Motors filter, and we're going to put it all together with our Reed two-piece SFI approved case. Also inside the transmission, you can see where we installed the overrunning clutch valve on the valve body. This was supposed to be a Super Duty killer transmission from Jake's Performance, and it wasn't. It had the blind clutches in it. It did not have the Super Duty input shafts or main shafts in it, which I have changed and installed the Sonic's armored shaft, which is stronger than the 300M shafts. And again, this is a Reed two-piece SFI case. I'm going to put the filter in, put the pan on it, and get it ready to go inside.